Hello all my beauties there, welcome back to my channel. Pigmentation it has always been a big skin concern for all of us Indians. I have made many videos and in the same series I have come across with one more product. This is Asaya Pigmentation Control Serum. I am sure must have seen this somewhere or the other. This has been really viral recently. Now the ingredient list of this product is very clear, no confusion. So 2% alpha-butane, 5% niacinamide, very familiar ingredient. We know these ingredients are always there, mostly in all the serum, which promises to treat pigmentation and give us even skin tone. But the main ingredient of this serum is melamine. Melamine is a complex which is known to reduce melanin production in our skin and hence giving us brighter skin. This combo of trio promises to give us brighter skin and faster skin. Now I have been using this product from almost 1 month now. As you can see, I'm not sure whether you can see it in camera or not. 3/4 of the bottle I have already used. Now it is a transparent serum. I'll show you. A bit thicker in comparison to all of this serum. There are some serum which have just water-like texture. A little bit thicker, it will take few seconds to blend, but once it blends in your skin, you will not feel sticky or heavy. So everyone can use it. Now coming to result of this serum, whether you should invest your money in this serum or not. Of course, it is a good serum, pigmentation control serum. It will give you result, but it is not a magic wand. That magic will not happen. It will take it time, and whenever we are using a product, we need to do justice with the product. We need to give that decent time to show its results. So it will give you result. If you have tried many things and nothing has worked for you, then give a try to this also. This might work for you, and it will not irritate your skin. If you have pigmentation and sensitive skin, you can definitely try this. Ingredients are very mild, 5% niacinamide and 2% alpha-butane are not that strong formulation of actives, so you can very well tolerate them, and melamine will not irritate your skin. So in your morning skincare routine, for after cleansing your face, use a toner and then apply this serum. I would suggest you to avoid using it with the vitamin C because it can be a bit too much. You should not force your skin for too much. Whenever you are starting a new product in your skincare routine, I always advise you to go slow. So use it alone in your morning skincare routine as a serum. Follow up with a moisturizer. If you are oily skin, combination skin, then you can skip moisturizer and lock everything up with SPF, which is mandatory, of course, And in your night skincare routine, if you are following anti-aging skincare routine, if you are using your retinol, I would suggest you to avoid it using retinol. Alpha-butane and retinol goes very well with each other. For many people, it goes very well. For me, niacinamide and retinol, of course, not a problem. But for some people who have sensitive skin, they can end up irritating their skin. So I would suggest you better understand your skin concern, your skin type, and then layer actives. Layering is very important when it comes to skincare. We should layer the actives in such a way that it makes our skin better, not worse. Okay, we are investing a time and money and effort to make our skin better. So if you have doubt that alpha-butane and retinol combination can irritate your skin, better to avoid it. You can layer it with peptides in your morning skincare routine. Also, you can layer it with peptides. No issue. Okay, and then use a moisturizer and in your night skincare routine. Layering with your AHAs and BHAs is of course no. You should use them separately. So this is a serum which will give you results, I am sure, because I have been using it from almost more than 1.5 months. This bottle, because I use it only in my morning skincare routine. So this will last me for more than 2 months. And this isn't expensive product which retails around 500 to 600 range. So you can try it, but don't expect a magic to happen. When it comes to skincare, especially if you are treating your pigmentation, patience is the key. It will take time. No, don't believe those people who come and say treat your pigmentation in 4 weeks, get rid of it in 6 weeks. No, that's not happening. Don't believe all of them. It will take years. Yes, trust me, it will take years to get rid of pigmentation completely, and you need need to follow your skincare routine religiously, but you will start seeing results in first 4 weeks. Okay, so boost your motivation to try continue using it and following skincare. That's very important. You need to understand your skin type, your skin concern, and choose product accordingly. Everything is not made for everyone, as I always say in my video. So this is a good product. If you're looking for a pigmentation control serum in a budget, then you can definitely try this one. This is definitely a yes from my side. So after watching this video, I am sure there must be no confusion in your mind. You know now whether to pick this serum or not. So if you like skincare related content, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.